Hello again. I'm going to try another what I call square chain pull, but is actually rectangular chain pull this time. The same as my last one, but with less, well, I was going to use less colours. I'm just going to do it in a different way. I'm still aiming to try for the fireworks type one, but to be honest, I'm not too worried what the pattern is, because they're just so pretty with the chains. And I've popped my pins back in again. What I do is, before I put the base coat, which is titanium white, down onto the canvas, I pop the push pins in to approximately what I think is the centre on the edge. And this time I have angled them more because I had difficulty last time getting the chain to go through the pins. So I'm going to use my navy blue again because I liked it so much last time. But this time I'm going to be using with it antique white, gold, yellow, and lime green. So I'll pop my colours down and then I will pull the chains through it. Oh wow, I am so pleased with this picture. It's just beautiful. Next time I do it, because I'm going to keep practicing it and I want to actually do it on a larger canvas, but next time I do it I'm going to leave a bigger gap between the blue edge and the white, just to give that longer white area, and possibly just have, say, one colour on this side and another colour on this side to give more of a burst. But that's all the fun of practicing doing these chain pulls. And now I'm going to bring it up closer to the camera for you to have a look at all those gorgeous colours. I did have some difficulty getting the end piece done, but I was very pleased that I used the lime green to do that. And as usual, the chain has made the most beautiful patterns on the canvas. So that's my picture for this one completed, trying those different colours. You may have noticed that I wasn't wearing gloves this time. That was mainly because in my last video you may have noticed I had a lot more trouble getting the chains down. I did have some trouble in this one, of course, but it was easier to handle the chain without gloves. And that's it for my picture for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.